Hello, this is Yukiko, and I just wanted to share with you my drum. You know, there's a rhythm in our heart and a rhythm in our souls and in the way our blood flows that really shifts with the seasons. And today I want to talk with you about this upcoming workshop in Los Angeles for dancing in spring, in her embrace, celebrating the goddess of life. And in this workshop, what I really would invite us all to do is to bring alive and awake not only the life passion and love within us, but also to connect into the field and to be enlivened by the field, as well as enliven the field. It's an ongoing conversation. And the world needs all of us to be so present and to be dancing with her. I hope you can join me. All the details are below, and we will be moving and dancing together in a way that will make you sing, in the way that makes me sing. And soul motion is a way of really sensing into what is happening around you and in you, and it shifts all the time. No, you won't be needing the drum. I just got this drum yesterday, and so I wanted to dance with it and share it with you. I hope I'll see you in the dance. Please come. Your presence is so necessary, and it's so appreciated and loved. Thanks. See you soon. Bye-bye.